Hey there, Victoria here from Snapppt with a quick tutorial on how to embed your product page galleries. Quick disclaimer, I'm going to be using Shopify for the tutorial, but be rest assured if you're on Magento or WooCommerce or any other e-commerce platform, the embed code will work just fine. So follow along and let's get started. But before I show you where the nifty little embed code is, I'm going to just let you know a little bit more as to why product page galleries are so important. Basically, you're going to be engaging, converting, and driving the revenue at the most crucial point in the funnel, your product page. This is the one page where your customers must land on to complete their purchase. Once they're already on the page, you might as well continue to engage them. You're basically turning your Instagram feed and user-generated content into a shoppable gallery. This will only inspire them to purchase more and increase conversions. I mean, who wouldn't want that? So it's time to get started. First thing to do is when you're logged into Snapppt, go on the right-hand side and click on Product Page Galleries. Once you're on this page, you'll see images that are obviously within your feed. You can continue to refresh them until you get one that you like. So in this case, let's start here. Again, if you want to get a little cheat or a little sneak peek, you scroll down to the bottom. And these are all images that you've added hotspots to, which are in your shoppable feed. And these are the ones that are going to be appearing in your product page galleries. I always click on this link. This will come in handy when we want to know where to place the embed. And then when it's live, we can see it right away. So for now, let's go back here and go into the left-hand side into the custom gallery section. Scroll down and you'll see the widget. So we copy the embed. And as mentioned previously, I'm using Shopify. So I've gone into online stores, then themes. Here I've gone into actions. And I'll click edit code. Now, depending on which platform you're on, this will be custom to you. You'll know where you want to place the embed. You know how your web page is set up. Within Shopify, it's usually within templates or within sections. In templates, it's under product liquid, and sections under product template liquid. In this case, I'm going to go down to sections and then scroll down to product template liquid. Perfect. Once I'm here, I'm going to go back to the product page that we opened. And I read this kind of like a book. So this is the title, you have the price, you have the sizes, some description, social. There's images related to the page, to the product image. And remember, this is the image that your customer came on here for. This is the main image that attracted them to the page. So for this reason, I always recommend putting the product page galleries as close to the top of the page as possible. Nobody wants to scroll all the way down, especially if they don't know that it's there. So knowing this section here, anything below those images is perfect. So using this social section as a little cheat, I will then go into theme and type in social. Here we go. I've now found it. So I will then place our embed. Simply click save. It should now be saved. We then go back here, refresh the page. Notice the loading time. It took only a couple of seconds. The product page galleries will not delay anything on your page. Nothing will change. So that's perfect. Now, notice how this has been automatically generated. This is a hashtag and this is your handle. It is so important. I cannot stress enough how important it is to have a customized hashtag. This can be used in your Instagram bio, on your web page, or anywhere that the customer can see it. When they either wear one of your products or showcase something that they bought from your site, they could then tag this and this creates a community online. You could then track it and it could be shown here. So as you see, there's a couple of easy steps. Your product page gallery is now live. We have many more exciting features coming out soon. I look forward to making more tutorials for you. If you need any more help, you know where to find me. You know where to contact the Snapppt team. But for now, this is it. I hope you enjoyed it. I look forward to speaking with you guys soon. Bye.